2025 Chevy Impala SS is making a bold return, bringing back the legendary nameplate with a mix of modern performance, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. Chevrolet has reimagined the Impala SS for the new era, blending the muscle car heritage with the sophistication of a full-size sports sedan. This latest iteration promises to captivate both enthusiasts and those looking for a high-performance daily driver. Under the hood, the 2025 Impala SS is powered by a 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, the same powerhouse found in the Corvette, delivering an exhilarating 495 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this setup ensures lightning-fast shifts and a seamless balance of power and efficiency. Chevrolet has also included an all-wheel drive option, giving drivers enhanced traction and control in various driving conditions. A performance-tuned suspension and Brembo brakes further elevate the driving dynamics, making the Impala SS a true sports sedan with muscle car DNA. The exterior design exudes aggression and elegance, with sharp body lines, a low-slung stance, and an aerodynamically optimized front fascia. A blacked-out grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted hood hint at the power within, while quad exhaust tips and a subtle rear spoiler add to its high-performance aesthetic. Available in vibrant colors like torch red, midnight black, and electric blue, the Impala SS ensures it stands out on the road. Large 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in performance tires provide both style and function, enhancing grip and stability at high speeds. Inside, the 2025 Impala SS is a fusion of luxury and sportiness. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, with SS badging subtly placed throughout. A driver-centric cockpit features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a massive 15-inch infotainment touch system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system ensure top-tier connectivity and entertainment. Heated and ventilated Recaro and sport seats provide maximum comfort and support, whether cruising on the highway or pushing the car to its limits on a back road. Safety and technology are also at the forefront of the 2025 Impala SS. Chevrolet has equipped it with an advanced suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. A performance heads-up display projects vital driving information onto the windshield, ensuring the driver remains focused on the road ahead. With multiple driving modes, including track, sport, and tour, the Impala SS adapts to any driving scenario with ease. Chevrolet's revival of the Impala SS is a statement to both the brand's legacy and its commitment to modern performance. It bridges the gap between muscle cars and luxury sedans, offering an exhilarating driving experience without compromising comfort and practicality. Whether it's tearing up the asphalt or making a statement at a red light, the 2025 Impala SS is back to reclaim its throne as a true American performance sedan.